Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with my 5th month lock update video. So let's get right into it.
As the sun shines in all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
So I will start with a quick recap if this is your first time here. Welcome. So I started my lock journey on September 8th, 2020. I started them out myself and I started with 2 strand twists. Since then, I've had a total of 3 retwists. I colored my hair 1 time during these 5 months. For the most part, I have been maintaining my hair myself, but I did go to a shop to get my retwist last time, and I have documented this entire process here on YouTube. So as usual, I will link my lock journey playlist down below, as well as any other related details. Now onto this 5 months. Crazy because I feel like I just did my 4-month update video, and here we are already at 5 months. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this has probably been my laziest month with my hair thus far along this journey. So I did my 4-month video not too long ago because I did it a little late, but in that video I went to the shop and I had got my hair done, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have not washed my hair since I went to the shop and got it done. And I didn't even realize it had been that long until I was getting my notes together for today's video, and I was like, I ain't washed my hair since I went to the hair shop, and that was 4 weeks ago. So I'm out here with dirty hair. I am gonna wash it this weekend though. I did promise myself that. So I think one of the main reasons why I haven't washed my hair is because this last retwist that I got, it did last, I don't want to say a lot longer, but it lasted longer than my previous retwist. Part of it could be because I went to a professional to get my retwist done instead of doing it myself, or it could just be that my hair is just going through its process and it's starting to mature a little more and just don't get as like messy or unraveling as quickly, or it could just be a combination of the two. So I think that's the main reason why I haven't washed my hair, is just because like my retwist was lasting and I felt like if I washed my hair then it was gonna get messy. So yeah, I haven't been doing much to my hair. I will say though, I have noticed like 2 new things this month. So the first thing that I noticed is that I wear my hair in a bun a lot just because that's how I like to style my hair. When I was a loose natural, I wore a lot of buns as well. I have noticed that my buns are starting to look fuller, they feel fuller, they're thicker, and they're just like more solid. I don't have to like manipulate my bun shape as much when I put it in a bun anymore. I don't know if it's gonna really show in pictures, but I do know for sure that when I pull my hair up, like I feel like it just feels a lot thicker. And someone else mentioned that my bun looked thicker and fuller also. Alright, and so the next thing I've noticed with my hair this month is that it's starting to have a little weight to it. So I think it was in my 2nd lock update, and I was telling you guys how just like my hair is just like really light and feathery and just doesn't have any weight to it. And so they're not like heavy, but they are starting to have a little weight and movement to it. For example, like usually when I wear my hair up in a bun, once I take my hair down, they just kind of stay up. They don't necessarily fall, but I'm noticing like the ones in the back, like if I'm wearing a bun and I take my bun out, like they start to drop on their own without me having to like manipulate them or spray them to relax them or anything. They just get more movement just by themselves. So I'm super excited about that. And then like the last thing I wanted to talk about for this video is my hair color. So I did start off my locks with colored hair, and I touched up my color back in November. It was like the day after Thanksgiving, I think. And my color is definitely starting to grow out again, and I've been debating on if I wanted to touch up my hair or if I wanted to just like let it grow out. I'm really undecided. I like the brown, but I am getting a little over it, so I don't know. I keep going back and forth on what I want to do. Part of me wants to go a smidget lighter in the color. However, if I do that, I do want to go to a professional so I can get the color right and stop experimenting with my hair so much. And if I do decide to go lighter, I do want to wait closer to the summer, just because I would prefer to have like lighter hair during the summertime. The other thing that I thought about doing is putting a rinse over my head. So right now my hair is like this ashy brown color. I was considering putting like a red rinse on it to give it more of like maybe, I don't know, a red auburny color. I really don't know. So that's an option too. But then I was like, what if I don't like that? So I don't know. I think I'm going to get some hair wax. I've been looking at different hair wax. I've had some sitting in my Amazon cart for this past week. So I'm leaning towards doing some hair wax and trying some different colors. With that, it seems like less of a commitment and less potential damage to my hair. Part of me wants to go darker and just go back to my natural hair color too, because I've seen a picture of my hair before I dyed it and I was like, oh, I kind of miss my dark hair. So yeah, I'm a little undecided on what I want to do with this color, but I do hate like the in-between stage. So I think for the time being, I'm either going to put a rinse on it or get one of the hair wax colors to put on it. So if you've used any of the hair wax on your locks, let me know down in the comment section how it worked for you, if you think it's worth it. I see a lot of good reviews on it, but I don't know, I'm still just kind of, I don't know, I'm just really undecided when it comes to this hair color. But I think that's all I have for this video. Again, this month I did not do much to my head. It's just been, I've just been allowing it to be. Since the new year has started, I have been working on just wearing my hair out more and not using my wigs as a crutch, and I'm actually like enjoying it. I tried a new style today, this half up half down with my bangs, my bun. So yeah, I am slowly getting more comfortable with my hair, having fun, trying new styles, and stuff like that. So I'll give you guys a close-up of my hair and then we'll go ahead and end this video. Alright you guys, so here's just a close-up texture shot. I know I did not have one in my last video because my hair was styled. But yeah, they're starting to look more and more like locks and less like twists. As you guys know, I did start my journey with some heat damaged areas, especially in the front. And honestly, I mean, you know, they look a little stringy, but they are actually locking pretty good. I was really nervous about how this front part would look along this journey, but I don't mind it at all. Here is the back of my head. These ones back here are still crocheted. If you want to know why these ones are crocheted, go watch my 4-month update video. But this is how those ones are looking back there. Lots of frizz. I'm still continuing to get those little, I seen one earlier. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm still getting a lot of the little like stringy hairball things at the end of my head. You guys can see my color. You can see it more, how much it's grown out. Color doesn't look horrible, but yeah, I just hate when it starts to look like this. So that is it for my 5th month along this live journey. I can't believe that I'm about to hit 6 months already. Like, time is flying by. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I'll see you all in my next video.